Hi guys, welcome to Step by Step PowerPoint. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to create great menu in PowerPoint and present it to others. Let's see the rest of the video. For this, we want to blank slide. So right-click on your slides, go to Layout and choose Blank Slide. And next level, go to the Insert, Shape, and choose Hexagon. By pressing on Shift key, draw a hexagon and choose a proper size for this. Now we want 6 hexagons. Again, by pressing on Key Control, I copy off these hexagons. Now, put them in the right position. Now we want to change their color. I download this palette from colors.co. You can download each color and each palette that you want. I want to use this palette for my menu. I click on hexagons, shape format, and choose shape fill. Eyedropper. I choose this color and I remove outline. Do it for all hexagons. I select all of them and now I want to add black outline for all of them. Now you can add your text. For example, I double click on my shape and write our text, change the font and size. Now I want to put it in the direct order. So I click on the text, go to the shape, right click on your text, format shape, text option, text box, and remove this mark. You will see that your text is completely your shape. I want to add outline to the text and some effect. Add text for all the hexagons and change any effects on your text that you want. As you see, I'll write my text on my hexagons. So we want to add a slide on my PowerPoint for each hexagon. For example, go to the left side, right-click on this slide and click on New Slide. Do it for all hexagons. Now we want to add action to our menu by clicking on Shapes. Click on Intro Hexagon. Go to the Insert, click on Actions. We want, by clicking on Intro, go to the second slide. By clicking on First Season, go to the third slide. So, click on your shapes, go to the action, and here click on Hyperlink and choose slide and choose second slide for intro. Here you can add sounds for your shapes. For example, I choose this and click on OK. Do it for all hexagons. Click on the shape, go to the action, choose hyperlink, slide, third slide, and click on play sound and choose the sounds that we like. Now in this step, copy of all hexagons. Ctrl+C and paste it on other slide and put in the position that you like. Go to the slideshow and select on each shape and see what happened. In this step, I want to add some effect on my slides. Go to the second slide. Here I want to type about my intro. And in third slide, I want to talk about my first season. So I want to change the position of first season, comes to the center, and for this, click on intro, put it under this first season, and click on first season and put it instead of intro. Go to the next slide. It's for After this, select all slides and go to the tab transition and choose morph transition. Okay, I changed my background. I use my color palette and say change its transparency. So I want to show what's happened to our menu now. Go to the slideshow, click on intro, and then first season, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth season. In this tutorial, we learn how to create a menu on PowerPoint and how to add text, how to change its color, and how to use action on your menu. And by using more transition, we made it professional. Don't forget, please subscribe our channel and like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you a lot.